Grunge makeup is back. Here's how to do it. I start by applying the base. I want something matte, so I'm using the TimeWise 3D foundation in W130. Then I conceal. I am using the Perfecting Concealer in light beige to brighten my under eyes and spot correct to get my complexion super even. Then with the translucent powder, I'm setting everything into place. Next, contour. No blush. We're going for something more angular and bold. So using the Chromafusion contour in Latte, I want to really chisel out my features here, so I'm really going in. Onto the eyes. I'm lightly blending Hazelnut into the outer edge of my eye and the crease to create some natural dimension before we go in with the eyeliner. Using the waterproof eyeliner, I am tightlining my upper and lower waterline to really darken it up. Once eyes are nice and tightlined, I'm going to use the same eyeliner and apply it to the lash line. Now we smudge it out. I think we do need a little more black, so I'm gonna add some more around my eyes and smudge it out even more. And if it looks messy, that's great. The messier, the better. Now we wanna add the smoke, so I'm taking the Chromafusion eyeshadow in shade Granite and smudging it around the edges of my eyes. And now, finishing touches. That's it. Dark and edgy, but we are still classy. Get these products from your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant and subscribe for more videos just like this.